In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a symbol bar chart in a cell in Excel. Start by opening Excel and selecting Blank Workbook so you have a fresh sheet to work with. This method is a simple way to turn numeric ratings into a visual chart directly inside a cell. It is especially useful when you want your worksheet to be easy to scan without creating a separate chart object. Once the workbook is open, go to cell A1 and type Product. Then click cell B1 and type Rating, followed by 1-5 in parentheses so the label reads Rating 1-5. After that, click cell C1 and type Visual Chart. These headers will organize the sheet and make it clear what each column represents. Next, fill cells A2 through A4 with your items. These can be any product names or category labels you want to use. Then move to the Ratings column and enter numbers from 1 through 5 in cells B2 through B4. The important thing here is that the values in column B are numeric, because those numbers will control how many symbols appear in the chart cells. Now click cell C2. In this cell, type the formula rept/B2. This formula uses the rept function, which repeats a piece of text a specified number of times. In this case, the text is a star symbol, and the number of repetitions comes from the value in cell B2. So if B2 contains 4, Excel will display 4 stars in C2. This creates a simple in-cell bar chart using symbols instead of traditional bars. After entering the formula, press Enter. You should now see a row of stars appear in cell C2 based on the rating value. To apply the same visual chart to the remaining rows, click back on cell C2 and look for the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle down to cell C4. Excel will automatically copy the formula downward and adjust it for each row. That means each cell in column C will display the correct number of stars based on the rating listed beside it. You now have a clean symbol bar chart inside your worksheet cells. It is quick to build, easy to read, and great for simple rating displays. That covers everything you need to know.